I just want to share with y'all. I also received these here little gel polishes from Model Ones. This is a 16-piece color gel, one base coat, one top coat, and a total of 18 pieces. All right. So, but look at here. I just want to. I'm not gonna go through swatching these because I don't have any swatch sticks. All right. But I just want to show you. These are 6 ml bottles. And I don't know how many sets you can get out of a 16 ml bottle, but nonetheless, there are some cute little bottles here. And this color here is so gorgeous. Look at that. That is like a beautiful champagne pink with some holographic glitters. All right. And the names of them are on the back. Okay. But I will come back at a later date and swatch these. And you may see me use these here in a video. Okay. Upcoming video. How about that? But this one, like I say, is Ice Bar. They have names on them. I didn't say that, but they have names on them. But this one is called Ice Bar, and I'm not going to go through all the names of them. It looks like all of them are solid colors with the exception of this here pink one and these two and this silver glitter here. But these two here, hold on, give me a second. These two here looks like temperature changing gel polishes. One is called Blooming and the other one is called Sparkle Co.I. So we're going to check those colors out real fast. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like a fuchsia pink with some holographic glitters going on up and through there. And I'm assuming, I don't know which one is which. One get hot, it turns this color or that color. One gets cold, it vice versa. And this one is a blue one. It's called Sparkling Co.I. Oh, this is pretty as well. It's a pretty blue with some silver glitter going on up and through there. All right. Those are pretty. All right. And this here silver one. We're going to look at this silver one here. It looked very nice and creamy. This one is called Glitter Silver. Okay. Oh, and this is a beautiful silver too. It's just a regular silver gel polish with silver glitters. That is so pretty. This is a nice collection to have. Okay, it's mainly like a personal kit. So if you're a nail tech and you do other folks' nails, I wouldn't recommend you purchase this kit if you have more than one client. This probably be a great gift for like a teenager or someone who's just starting out doing nails. But this is a lavender one. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, I can't wait to use these. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all one more color. Let me see. Let me see. How about this blue one here next to this lavender one? Oh, this is so pretty. All right, yeah, so these are the colors, 16 piece with the top coat and the base coat. I'm gonna leave the information down in the description bar if you want to go check those out. Again, I say that's a nice little collection to have. All right, so these will be the nail tips that I will go in using today. These are some short EC basket coffin nail tips. I purchased these off of Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description bar below. Okay, I'm gonna go in applying them using this KDS nail glue that I have. I also will leave the link to that as well down in the description bar below. This step is very important because if you do not use the solidify, your powders will not dry. Okay. Now I could have went in with the clear and capped it, but this color, I think there's no need for that. I'm gonna be okay. I just go straight in and file it. Alright, so here's the nails after I finished file shaping and buffing them. Now what I did was I was filing this here nail and I went in a little too deep and took some of the glitter off. Now I could have went and reapplied the glitter to the nail, but I just said no, I keep it like that because I kind of like that look anyway, because it almost kind of like it's ombre up into the nail. So I'm going to just keep it just like how it is. So now let's just go ahead and clean these little suckers up with some alcohol. And then we're going to go in with a top coat.